Radishes, the Usain Bolt of vegetables. These little guys grow super fast. We're talking ready to eat in 3 weeks. That's faster than your last online order. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to grow big, juicy, and perfectly crisp radishes. Stick around because I've got a radish fact at the end that might just blow your mind. Be sure to check out our free app to see which vegetables are perfect for your unique situation. Let's get started.
Step 1. Choosing the right radish variety. Radishes aren't just those little red bulbs from the grocery store. There are tons of varieties, and picking the right one makes a huge difference. Fast and classic. Cherry Bell. The OG red radish, crisp and mild. French Breakfast. Longer shape, slightly sweeter, fancy name. For bigger radishes, Daikon. Giant white radish, mild flavor, great for cooking. Watermelon radish. Green on the outside, bright pink inside. For spicy lovers, black Spanish, dark, spicy, and intense. Easter egg mix. A mix of colors and flavors. Pro tip. If you want radishes fast, go with Cherry Bell or French Breakfast. They're ready in just 20 to 25 days. Step 2. Prepping the soil. Radishes are like that friend who doesn't like drama. They just want loose, happy soil. Loose and fluffy is key. If your soil is too hard, radishes get all weird and stumpy. Loosen it up at least 6 inches deep. Sandy, well-draining soil works best. Heavy clay? Mix in compost. pH 6.0, 7.0 is ideal. Slightly acidic to neutral. Biggest mistake, adding too much nitrogen. This makes radishes grow only leaves and no bulbs. Instead, use a balanced low-nitrogen fertilizer like 5-10-10. Step 3. Planting radishes like a pro. Radishes grow crazy fast, so no need to start them indoors. Directly sow them in your garden or containers. Plant seeds 1/2 inch deep, 1 inch apart. Too close? They'll fight for space. Rows should be 6 to 8 inches apart. Give them room to breathe. Water gently after planting. A heavy splash can bury them too deep. Pro tip. Want continuous harvests? Plant new radish seeds every 7 to 10 days. That way you'll have fresh radishes all season long. Step 4. Radish watering and sunlight. Radishes love full sun but hate drying out. Keep their soil consistently moist for perfectly crisp radishes. Watering tips. 1 inch of water per week. More if it's super hot. If the soil dries out, radishes get spicy and tough. Mulch can help keep moisture in and weeds out. Sunlight. 6+ hours of direct sun equals happy radishes. Too much shade? They'll grow all leaves, no radish. Weird fact. Radishes actually taste milder if grown in cool weather, spring and fall. Hot weather equals spicy, intense radishes. Step 5. Common radish problems and how to fix them. Uh-oh, something's wrong with your radishes? Let's fix it. Problem. Radishes are all leaves, no bulbs. Solution. Too much nitrogen. Use low nitrogen fertilizer, 5-10-10. Problem. Radishes are too small. Solution. They're either overcrowded or planted too late in the season. Thin them out and plant earlier. Problem. Radishes are super spicy. Solution. They got too hot or too dry. Try watering more or planting in cooler weather. Problem. Radishes cracked or split. Solution. Inconsistent watering. Keep soil moisture steady. Secret tip. Want sweeter radishes? Soak them in ice water for 10 minutes before eating. Step 6. Harvesting radishes. Like a boss. Radishes are ready when small varieties, 20-30 days. Daikon, 50-70 days. They should be about 1 inch wide. Too big, they get woody and tough. How to harvest. 1. Grab the greens near the base. 2. Pull gently. Radishes should pop right out. 3. Brush off dirt, rinse, and enjoy. Pro tip. Cut off the greens immediately. If left on, they suck moisture from the radish. Store them in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Final thought.
Weird radish fact. Here's a crazy fact. Ancient Egyptians paid their workers in radishes. Yep, before money, the builders of the pyramids were literally paid in vegetables. Now that's a crunchy paycheck. Want more fun gardening tips? Subscribe now, because you can grow it.